I want people to come off the street, enjoy the art, enjoy the architecture. It's got to be a living, breathing space.
The part of Covent Garden life is
absolutely
what we want.
Part of Covent Garden life.
That is, I think, what the real ambition has been for me, make it somewhere where it is intimate, but somewhere that is truly flexible and versatile.
It's going to have coffee bars, it's going to have tea rooms, and I want to create something that the general public can come and enjoy.
Hello, it's Andrew.
And Madeline.
And this is a very, very heartfelt message. First, I'm terribly sorry that we both can't be with you today, but I really, really cannot thank you enough for the extraordinary work that every single one of you has done to make the restoration of Drury Lane possible. It's a huge, huge undertaking, and despite all the problems we've had with COVID, we've done this in 2 years, which is quite extraordinary. I know it was going to be 18 months, which would have been even more extraordinary, but actually I think that because of circumstances, the fact that we've done it in 2 years is even more remarkable. Do you not believe, Madeline?
Absolutely. It's a huge thank you from us both. And it was amazing in April, May, when I used to come round here when the whole country was completely in lockdown and the Covent Garden, nobody was around, but the only people that were around were you guys, and you were coming in and out of our building safely. You had to put up with all the safety things we put in place, but you turned up, you drove in, you could park, and you helped carry on with this amazing project. And for that, thank you so much, because we could be another year in here if you guys hadn't really stepped up. So it's a massive thank you, and I can't wait to be back and see it all shiny and finished.
I think you all ought to be very, very proud of what you've done, and thank you hugely from me.